Good evening, all. Bobby Two Pots Breaks. It is Tuesday, April the 18th. We are breaking Bombox Jerseys Plus Combo Series. That there is a one box or one envelope break, and we randomed up our 21 remaining boxes. 30 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized everybody. Gave them a few minutes to trade. I had a ton of offers. Nothing got accepted this time though. See what we're going to get here. Bam. Going to be the Lakers spot with the Shaq O'Neal jersey. Bam! Going to be the KC spot, guys, with the Tyreek Hill Chrome F7 Oklahoma. Going to get the repeat. Nothing else in our envelope. Who is Oklahoma? Kyle going to get the repeat on that spot. Lakers. Wow, Lone Star. KC. SD going to take that. SD's first hit there in the last couple nights, I do believe. Alright, guys, let me grab those. We got Shaq going to Lone. Tyreek going to SD. Kyle's going to get the repeat, folks. Let me just grab those items. Tyreek. Alright, bud, I'm not going to ramble that. There is your Shaquille O'Neal JSA sticker and card. Bud. Bam! SD. Beautiful Chrome F7, guys. It does have a tiny little nick there on the SIG SD. I just wanted to show you that. JSA sticker and card on her. Really great looking fucking helmet, bud. Also has the Super Bowl champ inscription on her, guys. So I know he doesn't play there anymore. But still a gorgeous fucking helmet, guys. Worst comes to worst, you could wipe that if you really wanted to and still have yourself a beautiful helmet to have someone else signed. Very nice hit for you. Well, guys, supposed to be Jerseys Plus. So far tonight, we pulled 2 helmets. right, that is going to ramp up that break, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, about a 2 Pops Breaks.